everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I'm going to share to you all a shopping mall in Kuala Lumpur which is called as MyTown. This is the first time my friends and I coming to this mall and we just will discover some of the shops at there only. They got a lot of shops, branded shops, and then you can buy furniture, fashion related shops and more. This mall is not very crowded at the time we reached there, and you can enjoy with your friends and family when you come at here because less crowd. But I'm not sure currently how the situation is. My friends and I went to Burger King to have our lunch, and after we have our lunch, we walk again. We are looking to a shop which is called as Kaisen, and finally we saw it. And yes, this is the Kaisen. In this shop, got many type of decoration items and gifts and more. So if you ever visit this shop, let's come and explore it. Kaisen at this my town is very big and it needs some time for us to explore. They also got a pillowcase, blanket, towel, dolls, and more. After we go to the Kaisen, now we are going to have a tea break and yes, continue to walk. I like the design of this mall. You can see how big this one and compact this one. I love the design of this mall, so that's why I took a lot of video about this. And then we entered this area. You can see how colorful this area. There are many doors. They are kept inside each and every machine. I love to see this one. So as I said earlier that my friends and I was looking for a shop or restaurant to have our tea break, but before that we want to enter into this. Nice to see you. And here I saw many type of instant noodles, breads, ice creams and more. If you want to taste different flavor of ice creams or anything, you can come to here because they got some different flavors which will not be available at other shops. I bought some snacks from here because later after I went to a hostel, I need something to eat, so I bought from there. And then we went to my curry, and then we ordered some shaped ice and waiting. This is the first time I'm going to taste my curry. So this is what I was ordered, the Oreo, but I'm not sure the full name. And the other two was ordered by my friends. For me personally, I love the taste of it. You also can enjoy it if you was come with your family and friends. But I loved it, and after we have this, and then we are back to hostel. And yes, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe, do like this video if you like this video. Thank you and bye.